we're going to show you how to make these dainty little hangings for Christmas today. These, they can hang on a tree.
They could.
Yeah, but what I did with mine last year, some of them, I put them into the Christmas cards when I sent them off, just as a little token present.
Nice little thing, yeah.
Because it's a heart on each one, it shows a little bit of love as well, which is no harm any time of the year, never mind Christmas.
Always good.
Alright, so to make these, you're going to need some felt. Now I was lucky I could find this really, really thick felt. But if you can't find that, this is good because it holds its own shape. If you can't find it, use 2 pieces of ordinary felt and just put them together, and they're going to be stitched anyway, so they'll be stitched together just to give them a little bit more substance. This comes in all different colours. Just put them away. To go around them, just get you started there. On this one, I have used a running stitch, just embroidery thread and in and out, very simple, right around the whole way. Sheila is doing a little bit more complicated stitch, but it's still quite easy, I think.
It is, it's just a blanket stitch, it is easy, yeah.
So do you want to show how that's done?
I will, indeed, yeah. It's just as it is, and you just put the needle through the loop and pull it in tight. That's all.
Very good, do another one there.
So it really is, it is simple, but it just puts a nice edge in it.
Great. When you're doing that,
okay,
I'm going to cut this out. I have a 2-inch piece of paper here, and I'm just going to cut that shape. Oops. Now, get that out of the way. Now I have some yellow embroidery thread, and I'm just going to start on one end here. It's knotted on one end, I think it is, yes it is. And I'm just going to go up and down, just a running stitch, in and out. If you have a long enough needle, you can do a whole side at a time here, and then across the other way. It's nice when your thread is a good contrast to the felt.
Yeah, it shows.
Just shows better what you're doing.
Now I'm just going to cut my little...
Oh, you made a loop already, that's grand, yeah. So when you get to the top like that, just measure off the length of what you're going to hang it from. Just back in there. See, make a loop about that size, I think. Just go to the back with that again. And tie it off.
That's a much quicker stitch than this one.
Yeah, it is, yeah. I think you're better at sewing than I am. Yeah. Give you the hard one.
I like sewing.
Yeah, I know that. I'll give you the hard one. Just make a couple of knots here, and then just cut that off. Now, that's the better side, I think. We got these hearts. I found these in a shop one time. They're actually padded hearts. A little bit of wadding inside them, I think. And you could use felt for yours, just cut out a heart shape in a contrasting colour to the one that you've had already. We're going to put a little bit of little button. That's yours.
I will
that
use
colour
the
there.
brown one.
Yeah, and I'm going to put red on mine. And we're just going to line that up properly. Have some thread. And just hold, it's like a sandwich here, you have to hold it together. You start from the back. That's the hardest bit, trying to find a hole from the back.
The hole in the button.
Yeah. And down. And this.
And a couple of stitches then will hold everything together.
It'll hold it all together. Usually go twice each side. It's not finding the hole here. Easier said than done. Oh, it'll do. If you were there doing this now, you can put an extra couple of stitches in. And just tie it off. Alright. And cut yours.
Tie it off just a little bit now.
Thank you. You put your nail there.
So there we go.
So that's it finished. It's really quick,
Yeah.
very effective, and I think it's a lovely little gift for somebody. Handmade, and it just shows you care.
That's all you need.
That's all you need, someone to care.